back for using the AI Thumbnail Builder to change the image in the background. So I'm going to change the AI generated thumbnails by clicking on the little wheel next to the cross there where my cursor is. Make my cursor bigger so you can see it. So thumbnails in minutes, that sounds good. So if I go to image, and then drop a file or add an image, it takes a little while to do this. So it automatically goes to my downloads. It might go to a different place for you. So this is one that I've generated in Canva. So it's still doing it. There it is. So if you try to do this without doing the step that I've just done, it won't work. So now you go to image, tap on it, and then you say bring to front. See what's happening with the T and H? Bring to front. There it is. It's then if I pull that bit bigger and then move this around, and then I can download it. So that is how you change the background image in vidIQ. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to watch more videos.